look at what it is. It is a box. That box starts with the letter B, and it's the color blue. Blue also start with the letter B. Capital B, lowercase b. 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 Let's open it up. Whoa, I wonder what's inside. Whoa. 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 Look. Wow. Yeah. Look, it's Blippi. Yeah, that's me. Whoa, hey Blippi. Hey Blippi. Hey Blippi. Hey Blippi. Blippi, Blippi, Blippi. Whoa, let's see what else is inside the blue box. Oh, look, a backhoe. Backhoe and Blippi both start with the letter B. Oh, look, another box. Whoa, look at this box. This has the letter S on it. Capital S, lowercase s. S, S, S. S, 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 S. S. Let's open it up. I'm so excited. Whoa. Whoa, what's in here? Oh! Whoa, it's really cold. Whoa, it's really cold. And it's white. What starts with the letter S and is white and cold? Yeah! Snow! Whoa! Whoa! Do you see that? Oh! Brr! Oh! Brr! Brr! This? Yeah, this is snow. And it's really cold. Snow starts with the letter S. I wonder what fun things we can do with snow. Whoa. And a backhoe. Ring, ring, ring. And Blippi. Whoa, look at what it is. It's a bunch of snow. And the backhoe. Are you ready to have some fun in the snow, backhoe? Let's go. Step, 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 stomp, stomp, stomp. This is so much fun playing in the snow. Brr, it's really cold though. That backhoe can sure work hard. Hey, backhoe. Do you all want to see backhoe play in the snow some more? Wee-haw! Here we go! That was sure fun playing with Blippi and the backhoe in the snow. Yeah. Whoa! Well, this is the end of this video, so if you want to watch more of me, all you have to do is search for my name. Do you know my name? Yeah, I bet you do. Yeah, it's Blippi. Let's spell it together. B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi! Yahoo! That's my name. All right, see you again. Bye! Woo!
Come on everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!
Whoa! 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 Whoa!
Hey, look at what it is. Woo! Whoa! Look! Whoa! Whoa! There's a lot of colorful balls in here. Whoa! 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 There's so many colorful balls! Whoa, look at this! Another one! Woo! Are you ready? I need your help. Let's count to 3 together, and then I'll do that again. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yeah! Whoa! 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 Wow! Look at all these balls! They're so colorful! Like the color red! Whoa! Yeah, the color red. And like the color pink.
Wow!
The color pink. The color, yeah, purple.
Wow!
Yeah, the color purple. Yep. And, ooh, yeah, the color orange. Woo! The color orange, just like my glasses and bow tie. The color, oh, yeah, I love this color. The color green.
Whoa!
Green, yup. And, ooh, yeah, it's the same color as my shirt. See? Yep, it's the color blue.
Whoa!
Blue. And last but not least, it's the color yellow. The color yellow. Well, I think this is the perfect time to sing the color song.
Everywhere you look, there's colors all around. Anywhere you look, there's a color to be found. Every single thing has a color to be seen. Come learn some colors with me. winter the snow is white. In spring the sky is blue. Leaves in the summer are green. And in the fall they start to turn orange and yellow and red. And wow, there's so many colors in the trees.
Wow, I really enjoy seeing the colors change throughout the seasons. Maybe next time the season changes, you'll see the colors change.
Everywhere you look, there's colors all around. Anywhere you look, there's a color to be found. Every single thing has a color to be seen. Come learn some colors with me. Bananas are yellow, and apples can be red or green. Blueberries are blue.
Oranges are orange.
There's lots of different fruits with lots of different colors. Have a look, there's so many to see.
I went to the grocery store the other day and saw so many different colors of fruit. Maybe next time you go to the grocery store, you'll see all the colors too.
Everywhere you look, there's colors all around. Anywhere you look, there's a color to be found. Every single thing has a color to be seen. Come learn some colors with me. Ooh, the moon is white, just like the clouds in the sky. The sun is bright yellow, and sunflowers are too. There's lots of different flowers with lots of different colors. Have a look, there's so many to see.
Have you ever seen a garden that's full of flowers? It's so bright and colorful. And I just love the way they smell.
Everywhere you look, there's colors all around. Anywhere you look, there's a color to be found. Every single thing has a color to be seen. Come learn some colors with me. Flamingos are pink, and robins have red bellies. Penguins are black and white, and so are bald eagles. Birds can be almost any color. Have a look, there's so many to see.
There's so many different kinds of birds in the world, and they're all different colors. So maybe next time you see a bird, you'll draw a picture of it and color it in.
Well, everywhere you look, there's colors all around. Anywhere you look, there's a color to be found. Every single thing has a color to be seen. Come learn some colors with me. Come learn some colors with me. Come learn some colors with me. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Woo! Whoa! Wow! Whoa!
There's so many colorful balls here. What color is your favorite? Yeah, that's so cool. You want to hear my favorite colors? I bet you can guess them. Yep, the color orange and blue. Yeah, those are my favorite colors. Look, orange and blue. You can have any colors you want as your favorite. It could be one or two or all of them because they're so colorful and beautiful. I love these colorful balls. Well, thanks so much for singing and dancing to the color song with me. If you want to watch it again, you know what to do. All you have to do is search for my name, Blippi Color Song. Let's spell my name together, okay? Blippi. Blippi! Yahoo! Good job! Now you know how to say Blippi and spell Blippi, my name. See you soon. Bye!
Come on everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout Blippi!
Parents, siblings, grandparents, babysitters. I'd love for you to head on over to my social media pages like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter because I have fun news updates, behind the scenes, and even free merchandise giveaways. Just search for my name, Blippi.
So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout Blippi!
Hey! Whoa! Look at my hand! My hand is so handsome! That's so funny. And my hand has fingers on it. This is the perfect time for my Blippi Finger Family song.
Daddy finger, where are you?
Here I am, how do you do?
Mommy finger, where are you?
Here I am, how do you do?
Brother finger, where are you?
Here I am, how do you do?
Sister finger, where are you?
Here I am, how do you do?
Baby finger, where are you?
Here I am, how do you do?
Grandpa finger, where are you?
Here I am, how do you do?
Grandma finger, where are you?
Here I am, how do you do?
Uncle finger, where are you?
Here I am, how do you do?
Auntie finger, where are you?
Here I am, how do you do?
Cousin finger, where are you?
Here I am, how do you do?
One hand here, two hands right here. I love my hands. I sure did have a blast singing with you to my Blippi Finger Family song.
Come on everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout Blippi!
If your youngster enjoys my videos, go to blippi.com where you can purchase and download my videos. So then you can watch on the go, anywhere and everywhere, with no cellular data or Wi-Fi needed. Whoa! Look! We are at a playground! Look! It's a yellow slide. Stay here. I'll go up it. And then come down. Woo! Whee! Here I go! Whoa! Whoa! I'll do it again! Here I go! Whoa! Wow! Oh, look! It's something yellow again! Whoa! The Spinny Winnie! Whee! Doo, doo, doo. Woohoo! Hello down there! Whoa! It's really high! I'm really high! Okay, here I go! Whoa! 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 Look at this! Wow! It's another yellow toy at the playground. Whoa! That's cool. Okay, I'll go inside. Whoa. Wow. Whoa. Whoa. Yeah, I did it! Come on! Oh, look at this! Whoa! I'll go up to the top and then I'll slide down it like a firefighter. All right, here I go! Whoa! I'll do it again! Woohoo! Ding, 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 ding! Oh, the fire! Yeah! Did you see that? That's really cool! Oh, let's go over here! These are rings! Wow! Yeah! Wonder what you do with these? Maybe, just maybe, I can swing across them. Ready? Whoa! 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 Ah! Whoa! Oh, that was really fun. A spinny slide! Look! Do you see it? Wow! Come on! I'm gonna go up the slide and then come down, and I'm gonna spin. Whoa! Hey! All right, here I come. Whoa! Wow! Do you want to try? Yeah, I think you should come. Come on. Here, you go first. Good job. Okay, I'll come up. Yeah, okay. Turn around, and now it's your turn to go down the slide. Whoa! Good job! Wasn't that fun? Whoa! Whee! That was so much fun going down this yellow slide. Woohoo! Look, it's another playground. Woo! Let's go! Blue handlebars. Yep, those are blue. And then the green slides. Wow, this is gonna be fun. Whoa! I'm to the top. Whoa! Wow! Perfect dance floor. I'm gonna go down this slide. Here I go. Whoa! Whoa! I'm gonna do it again. Whoa! 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 Look on the other side. There's another slide on the other side. Whoa! Look at that green slide. Okay, you stay down here. Woohoo! Whoa! Whoa! That slide was really fun! Let's find another playground! Woo! Look at what it is! Wow! It's a playground! This is gonna be fun! Come on! These are nets! Whoa! 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 I'm really far off the ground! Look! Whoa! Whoa! These nets are so much fun! Oh, I'm stuck! Oh, it's like I'm caught in a spider web. Ah! Ooh, look! It's a spinny-roo! Spinny-roo, spinny-roo, spinny, 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 spinny-roo! Watch this! Whoa! Whoa! Look at how high in the sky I am! Hello down there! Oh, okay, I'm gonna get down. Whoa! 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 Come on! Whoa! What's that? Whoa! Whoa! That was fun! Let me try it again. This time I'll use 2 hands. Oh! Yeah! We did it! Oh, what are these things? These are the color purple. Huh. I wonder if I can go all the way across without touching the ground. Whoa! This is really fun. Yeah! Whoa! Yeah, this. Watch this. Ready? I spin this. Whoa! That's so cool! Okay, now I'll bring it back. Yeah! Here we go! Whee! That was fun! Whee! Oh, a couple platforms. This is wood. Wood's awesome to dance on. Come on. Whoa. Whoa. So cool. Look. It's a tunnel. All right, watch this. Whoa! Okay, I'll come back to you. Whoa! Whee! Hey! Whoa. Wow. That was really fun. Oh. Whee! Whoa. Okay, your turn. Come on. Whoa. Yeah, good job. Whoa. And look at where we're at. Whoa. Right where we started. These are the nets. Wow, remember when I stood on the nets? Yeah. And a slide. A tunnel slide. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Okay, I'll go first. Here we go. Whoa. Whoa. That was fast. Okay, do you want to go? You should go. Yeah. Oh, you don't want to go? How about if I hold your hand? Do you want to hold my hand and I'll go with you? Okay. Here. All right. Here we go. I'll hold your hand. All right. Okay. Here we go. Whoa. 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 Wow. Good job. Yeah. Wasn't that slide and playground so much fun? Let's go find another playground. Whoa. Hey. Whoa. Whoa. Where am I? Hello. Hey. Hello. Whoa. That's so cool. Look at this over here. Wow. What is this? Whoa. Look at this red thing. It just spins. I wonder what would happen if I sat on it. Now is a good time to find out. Ready? Here we go. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm so dizzy. Whoa, that was really fun. Whoa, what's this? Here, follow me. Whoa, this is the color blue. Whoa. Whoa, oh no. Whoa! Did you see that? That was funny. Huh. Look, this is the color red. That's the thing that holds up the color blue. Wow, look at this. Wow. Here, come over on this side. This is like a giant spider web. Wow. Yeah, come over here. Look at it. I wonder what you do on this thing. You must climb up. Maybe we should climb up. Here I go. Whoa. 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 It's like I'm a monkey. Oh, whoa. Here I go. All the way to the top. Whoa. 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 Whoa! Wow! I am really high in the air! Whoa, 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 whoa! Okay, I'm gonna get down. Whoa. Wow. Oh no! I'm stuck! It's like I'm in a spider web. Oh no, here comes the spider! Ah! Okay, I'm not stuck anymore. Whoa. Whoa. Yeah, I made it. All right, that was so much fun. Hey! Look at what it is. It's a playground. Come on. This is gonna be fun. Ooh, look at this playground. There's a bunch of rocks. Whee! 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 Come here. Look at this. Whoa, spirals. Woo! Whee! Whee! Whoa! Whee! Wow! All right, here I go. Boop, 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 boop. Whoa! Look at how high I am! Whoa! It's really high! Whoa! Okay, I'm coming down now. Do do do. Do do do. Whoa! Come on! Oh, look! Yeah! It's a slide! Watch this! Woohoo! Whoa! I'll do it again! Watch me right there! Whoa! Whoa! That was fun! Do you want to try? Yeah, come on! You go down the slide! Hey! Okay, your turn, look! Whoa! Yeah! Good job! Come on! Monkey bars! Whoa! Look! Come check up here! These are the monkey bars, and they're the color green. Okay, I'll go across. Whoa. That's really cold. Wow. Bing! Whoa, okay, let's go up here. Look at the ground. Yeah, it's really brown. Yep. Ooh. Whoa. I bonked my head. Good thing it's nice and soft. And look right here. There's the spiral things again. Okay, now I'll go down from the top. Okay, bye-bye. Whoa! Hey! Okay, I'll come back up. Whoa! Whoa! I'm really high. Gotta be careful. All right. Oh, there's 2 more slides. Look at this one. Wow. Should I go down it? Yeah, I think I should. All right, here I go. Watch this. Whoa! That's fun. Here, come down here. I'll go down it again. Has some snow and ice on the bottom, so I gotta be careful. Uh-oh. All right. Okay, watch me from the bottom. Here I go. Oh! Okay, look in there. I'll go one more time. All right, here I go. Oh, hey, that was fun. And there's one more slide. Come on. Oh, wait. That one's really wet. Okay, I don't want to go down that one. I'll go down. Hey, I have an idea. How about I take you for a ride down here? Ready? All right. Here we go. Whee! Whoa! Oh, that playground was really fun!
Come on everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout. Blippi!
Parents, siblings, grandparents, babysitters. I'd love for you to head on over to my social media pages like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter because I have